Okay, now. Good morning, delegates. As we all know that we are here to discuss about the topic Golden Ages. Delegates, according to me, the topic is beautiful enough to explain its depth itself. So, the first question that arises is, who are the Golden Ages? Though my question has a lot of answers, but I know that you all must be saying that Golden Ages are the true jewels of the world. Since we are talking about our grandparents or all the other citizens of the I tried a lot to make a short speech, but one cannot bargain when it comes to some heart-touching events. The golden ages, or I should say our grandparents, are the one who made our childhood really awesome and memorable. We get to learn a lot of things from them. We sometimes have a funny debate about things or sports in their childhood or counterparts of those available in our childhood. The best feeling is when children sleep only when their grandmother tells them different tales every time. Most of the love and care that we get in our whole lifetime is given by our grandparents. They tell us things that cannot be found in any book present in the world, and those things are the best for creating a path that leads us towards success. Since we all know that this is a topic that can take a whole day to end, I would like to stop myself saying that the feeling of humanity that is the most important thing in life is generated in us by the golden age. Thank you all. Hope you all have a marvelous day.
Thank you, Lakshay. Aryavat, are you ready with your matter now? Aryavat,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta.
May I start?
Yes, beta.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to share my views on golden
Excuse me,
ages.
beta. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, students, keep your camera on, please. We need your photos. Thank you. Yes, Aryavat, you
Good
can
morning,
continue now.
everyone. I am here to share my views on golden ages and the privileges given to them. Life has several stages, and they are all different, and there are advantages as well as repercussions of all stages. Old age is considered to be most painful of all ages, but I consider it to be most important age to enjoy all the moments that you had made in your entire lifespan. Old age people are ill-treated by some of the people, even by their near and dear ones, but everyone isn't same. They are respected and loved by their children and grandchildren. Government had also made necessary steps to make sure that the old ones don't feel isolated or different. In India, senior citizens can host of benefits that add to their convenience and ease their financial burden. They even get travel discounts. There are several different queues in the banks and various government institutions for the elderly people. But only the steps made by the government are not sufficient until or unless the people of the society are aware and give them sufficient rights and mix up with them and most importantly love them. At last, I would like to say that love and respect old age people because you are aging too. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryavat. Now, I invite Astha from 11th A. Astha, can you hear me?
Yes,
Astha,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
now it's your turn.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to discuss on the topic Golden Ages. Delegates, the title is of great significance as it is about the senior citizens of the world. Firstly, you have to know the meaning of Golden Ages. Golden Ages means an elderly and often retired person, usually engaging in club activities. If I talk about the relationships between grandparents and grandchildren, then there are many benefits that can be enjoyed as a result of their relationships. The benefits that can result from such relationships are loving companionship. The grandparents can educate the grandchildren on the family history as well as their culture. It is therefore clear that the grandchildren can gain more knowledge from their relationships with their grandparents. If I talk about the importance of grandparents as our assets, then grandparents might support financially, and if not, they can guide in a financial issue because they bring a rich experience for life with them, and they are the most valuable assets to a family. If I talk about the benefits given to senior citizens, then there is a yojana called LIC's Varisht Pension Bima Yojana 2017 will provide an assured pension to senior citizens based on a guaranteed rate of return of 8% for 10 years. A maximum of rupees 7.5 lakh can be invested in this scheme, and one can get pension on monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annual basis. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Astha. Yeah, thank you very much, Astha, Lakshya Sharma, Aryavrat, Sanyam Makhija, Isha, everybody to spare out your time. I know you are very busy. You're studying a lot at home. So you have participated in this session regarding golden ages, which will be sending to a very renowned institution. So thank you all for joining this. Thank you very much. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Welcome.